Hello friends, we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line. Train. This train arrives in time. Second line. Goal. I have got a goal. Third line. Forest. The lion live in the forest. Fourth line. Brick. This house is made of bricks. Fifth line. Book. I have lost my book. Sixth line. Bus. This bus is not going now. Seventh line. Doctor. My friend is a famous doctor. Eighth line. Sugar. There is a little sugar in the glass. Ninth line. Doll. My kids always play with a doll. 10th line. Rohan is my friend. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.